The Sarawak government is prepared to increase financial allocations to support flood-affected residents across the state. Sarawak Premier Tan Sri Abang Johari Tun Openg said the matter will be brought to the Cabinet for deliberation to assess the full impact of the floods and determine the required assistance for affected areas.
Apakah yang harus dilaksanakan dan kita akan bincang dalam kabinet. Lebih 10 juta telah saya keluarkan, takut si cukup, 10 juta kita akan tambah mengikut kehendak seluruh Sarawak.
He told a press conference after visiting several temporary relief centres in Bintulu, Sarawak on Saturday. On Friday, Abang Johari approved an additional 10 million ringgit for the Sarawak State Disaster Management Committee to support flood relief efforts. He also thanked various organisations and frontline responders for their contributions and support in helping flood victims.